welcome to Starbucks. How can I help? Hi, honey, can I get an iced latte?
Do you mean a latte?
What'd you say?
You want a latte?
Yes, I will pay.
No, do you want a latte?
No, honey, I am not gay.
Ma'am.
Unless you want me to be.
Ma'am.
Under all this, I'm a whole man.
Ma'am.
Full of fine class testosterone.
Okay, one iced latte. What size?
I like my size how I like my current financial situation.
I don't get that joke. Do you get that joke?
No, I didn't understand that joke.
Exactly, me either.
Can I get a name for the order?
Oh, yes. Mariah.
Oh, Mariah who?
Carey.
My daughter loves you.
Do you need some I got some tissue. Do you need Take the tissue.
Why are you not in school? Get to school.
Take the tissue. Just take the tissue. Just take the tissue.